Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have Workspace admin or member rights. Without them, you cannot publish app updates. Once confirmed, open the Power BI service and navigate to the workspace that hosts the app. Make a quick backup, export current report files, or note app settings and the version number, because you may need to revert. After that, click the app's entry or the Edit App button in the workspace to begin the update process. Now you modify the content inside the workspace. Update reports, dashboards, and datasets as required. Make sure to adjust app navigation and audience permissions so users see the right content. This is where mistakes stick. Once edits are made, use the preview pane to validate visuals and confirm data refresh settings are correct. Previewing prevents surprises. Also check dataset credentials and scheduled refresh. If refresh fails, users will see stale data, so resolve credentials before publishing. Finish by entering clear version notes and audience details, then click Update App or Publish to push changes live. After publishing, immediately test access from a non-admin account and ask a few users to confirm visibility and performance. If users report issues, first verify workspace permissions and dataset refresh history. Fix credential or permission mismatches and republish. If the problem persists, roll.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.